Dumbfounded, I know right. Underground, I had no light. Running town, I call home now. Been around it my whole life. Used to post and get no likes. Ain't no love for your boy. Got 'em mad, they got no right. But every song from the blow like so many enemies. I'ma look back and just know I'm a better me. No one ahead of me. I focus on me, so ain't no one compared to me. They really dead to me. I got 'em mad over something they said to me, but I'ma just let 'em be, cause I can't be fucking with negative energy. One time for the one time, I'm back and I'm on my grind. I've been trapping a long time, been a long ride, now I have to get all mine. Shine, I've been after, it's all mine. I'ma never turn back, now never that. As a matter of fact, I'm better, man. When it comes to rap, I'm veteran. Let 'em in, they gotta let me in. Happy to meet you. I am a legend, man. Better believe it. I know you seeing it. This what I'm dreaming. I am a legend, man. Better believe it. Why do y'all treat me like I'm not equal? Like I didn't feed you. Ungrateful, I eat you. Fucking around with your teacher. All of you little bitches got me hitting licks again. Some predicament. Why do y'all fucking with the kid? Y'all must be sucking dicks again. I got a million reasons not to get even with you, but I'm finna leave you. I'ma just kick it like FIFA. Fuck all the trees and I'm on the beach in Ibiza. Why do they want me to react? Get me all heated like I came down with a fever. Why do they